Changing text color on Squarespace is actually very easy, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, I want you to find the website that you want to change text color for. And once you do that, this is what the dashboard should look like. Now we're going to go to the left sidebar. We're going to click on website. We're going to click on pages. And here we're going to find the page that we want to change the text color for. And once we go to about, we find the page. We're going to go to edit. Now we're going to highlight the text that we want to change the color for. And once we highlight it, there's this black dot here that says text color. We're going to click on that. We're going to either choose from a palette or we're going to custom. And once we choose a custom color, you can see the text color has changed. Now that's one way to do it. Or if you'd prefer, you can go to styles. Under styles, you can go to colors and you click on this arrow here and you go to edit palette. Now with these last two colors here, these are the two colors for the text. This one is for the navigation text. Once you change it, the navigation text color is going to change. And this one is for the page itself, the text for the page. Once you change it, the text color is going to change. But what's going to happen is that this is going to change the color globally. So that's how you change text color in Squarespace. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.